Yo, new channel here. So I'm back at it here with a new banger. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And you guys know what I'm doing today. I'm gonna lace up these shoes in a different way. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram at Ginger Paisa. I have a main account. Also, go follow me on New Channel 420 for the new content coming up. And hope you guys are having a nice night. Today I'm making a video at night. And let's just get right to the video. Let's stop the blabbering. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have the Lucky Green, brand new shoe, woman's shoe by the way. And I got this in a size 7, in a 7.5 for woman, and it's a really small shoe as you guys can see. Really tiny. Yes sir, brand new, looks nice. Look at that, appealing to the eye with the black laces. Really like the colorway. I like the green and the red on this. But you guys already know what I'm doing to this shoe. I'm going to swap that lace, guys, like always. So this Lucky Green shoe comes with green laces, red laces, and black laces. So if you want, you guys can change it to red or either green, or if you want, you can do double laces. And those are one of my videos if you guys want to watch it. If you guys want to learn how to double lace your shoe, it's gonna be my Zen Greens right there. I'll have a link in the bottom. But yeah, guys, as you can see right here, this is the Lucky Green. Hi. I really like how it looks with the red. Honestly, looks way better. But guys, I'm gonna teach you girls how to lace up your shoes, cause lately, man, the way you girls lace up your shoes is not the move. I be seeing you girls be like tightening them. I'm not saying all girls do this, but the majority of girls I see with these shoes are extra tight to their foot to the point where their feet are like skinny as fuck, which is not the point. They just like their shoes really tight, I guess. But enough blabbering, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to lace up these shoes in a different way, and let's get it. Okay guys, as you can see here, I got both of the shoes. But let me show you real quick right here. You got the little two baggies right here. You got green, and then you got the red lace. But I took out both of the red laces, and one of them is inside the shoe right here. Inside. But let's get right into the video, guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how to lace up these shoes the right way. Alright guys, I got the vibrant shoelace because it's colorful and it's easier to see. And first step to everything is make sure your shoe is nice and straight and the same length. There, made sure that's already. That's perfectly. And have this a little bit out, not too much, but have it a little bit looped out, like a little loop, as you can see right there. See how it's looped out on the sides over here, like a little loop. All right, guys, let's start it. So, grab this one, go like this. Be nice and gentle with it. Just pull it through. And always make sure the laces are nice and straight, if not they're going to come out crooked. So every time you do this, make sure it's nice and straight before you go to the next one. There we go, nice and straight. Now let's go to the next. Okay, let me switch out real quick and show you which hole. Right here. Boom. Boom. Perfect. As you can see right here. Okay. Keep on going. Now this side. And you just continue the same process all the way up until you get to this other part where I gotta show you the right way. Same thing over here. Pull it. Nice and straight. Boom. Perfect. Okay. Now this hole over here, guys. As you can see, guys, over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 4 holes right here, guys. So make sure you guys fill all those up. Just go all the way to the 4th one, honestly. And then you gotta put it through the tongue, honestly. But I'll show you guys right now. I'll just keep doing this. Keep doing the same thing, same process. Okay, there we go. Still nice. It's still the same length. Okay, still the same length. There we go. Keep doing the same shit. Come on, let's do this. Okay, there we go. Nice and looped. Same thing for the other one. There we go. There we go for this one. Let's do this next one. Got that loop still nice and straight. That's perfect, perfect. Alright guys, for this other part over here, you can see how this little hole right here is already at the same, what's it called, at the same length at the top right here. So now you can go through it, or either you want to go through it or you don't. But I usually go through it because I like holding my tongue up. So what I do is you press like this from the bottom of the tongue. Now this part is the annoying part, I don't know, guys. You gotta be a little bit rough to it. There we go, that's one. Let's do the other one. You gotta be rough with it, if not, it's not gonna go through. Don't be too gentle, don't be too rough. Because if you're too rough, you'll break it. And if you're too gentle, it's not gonna go through. Oh, you gotta put the right amount of force. There we go, perfect. And you gotta have nice and straight, nice and straight. Okay, there we go. This one, nice and straight. Boom, perfect. And they're both the same length as you can see, guys. They're all the way to the top. Went through the tongue, and now the fourth hole, right here. You can see this is my fourth hole right there. Right there, see? Fourth hole. Almost all the way at the top. The same thing over here, the last hole. There we go, did it with the red laces, guys. And all we gotta do now is put it through here. The top hole. And just make sure they're not too long on the side. Let them loose, don't let them too loose, you know what I mean? So push in like the fours, you know. There we go. Perfect. And that we got your Lucky Greens tied up with the red lace. And as you can see, it looks really loose. Looks like a fashionable shoe. Not the way they come from the factory. Well, from the factory, these shoes come really, they just don't come laced up. They just come with the lace just right here, and then the inside with the laces. So basically, I guess, these shoes, there's no wrong or right way to lace them up. It's preference. I usually like my shoe really loose, the way it looks like this. This looks really nice. I really like how it looks. Stylish too. Look at both of the shoes right here, guys. Oh yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I tell you guys how to lace up your Lucky Greens in a different way. As you can see right here, red lace, black lace, both tied up the same way, both the same style. And before we go guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, subscribe to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate it. And make sure you guys will follow me on my Instagram at Junior Paisa, my main account. Also, make sure you guys will follow me on Nutri Channel 420 for new content coming up. And all love here, go Nutri Channel.